July 13th, 2020. Market's at a great consolidation point right here, and on the highs, futures look like they're up. And we did look at accumulation this week, nevertheless. It does present a great opportunity for hedging and some pullbacks to occur, maybe towards the end of the week if we can't hold. Jumping right in here, we've got 7 new picks for you. Amazon's going to be the first one, AMZN. And we're looking at above 393.88
for continuation higher. And Amazon's got about $178 expected move this week, which could definitely bring us much higher, or $174. So, focusing on $170 expected move with a 55% implied volatility, that could definitely be a catalyst higher. Up targets, if 3193.88 can hold, we're looking up to 3300, with maybe a few stops along the way, but that would be a good upper target. However, if we get below 3,164, then we're looking down to 3,135.70, then 3,101.88, and then 3,074. So long as we want to enter above 3,193.88, target 3,300. For shorts, we want to enter below 3,164. Targets are going to be 3,135, 3,101, and then 3,074. The one we have here is Tesla, TSLA. See that Tesla shot up over 150 points, 10% on Friday, with a great close. We want to see it get below 1,489 for a short down to 1446, then 1406, above 1546, and we could be looking to capture at least a part of the expected move, which is $178. Tesla's at 116% IV, so this could be looking at an IV crush if it does in fact go higher. So again, above 1546.01, we're looking up to 1650, but below 1489, we're looking down to 1446 and 1406. For longs, we want to enter above 1546.01. Target is going to be 1650. Shorts, we want to enter below 1489. Targets are going to be as follows: 1446 and then 1406. We've got DOCU, DocuSign. Again, triggered for reversal to the downside. However, again, futures are up, so we could be looking for some upside momentum if we can maintain. We're looking for longs above 213.40. DocuSign's got a $16 expected move this week. So a $16 expected move brings us up to around a price target of 230. Again, there'd be some stops along the way. It's not going to just shoot right up to 230, as that's almost a 7% move. But below 206.59, we're looking down to 200, then 189. So longs, we want to enter above 213.40. Target is going to be 230. Shorts, enter below 206.59. And targets are going to be as follows: 228 and then 189.59. Next one we have is SQ Square. Again, had another great run up. We're looking at about a $10 expected move this week. 127 is going to be that point. We want it to hold or break 127 and above. We're looking up to 133, then 135. Below 127, we're looking all the way down to 120, and that would be our final target. So for longs, we want to enter above 130, or we want to enter above 127. Target's going to be 133.81 and then 135. Shorts below 120.03. Target's going to be 127. We're looking for 127. Target's going to be 120.03. Next one is ETSY. You might remember this from last week's watch list. We did not capture anything on this as it never got above or below any of our support levels. We saw that we briefly got above our resistance level, and you might have been able to ride it up a little bit for about 2 points, but you would have eventually been stopped out had you adhered to the rules of the program. However, Etsy's going to be the same this week. Above 113.42, we're looking for longs. Below 109.18, we're looking for shorts. And Etsy's expected move this week is about $9, about $8.79. And we can see that's already started some selling, so it looks good for the pullback. Above 113.42, and our price target is going to be 118. However, below 109.18, we're going to start off at 105.50 for price target. 102.71 going to be the final price target. Longs enter above 113.42. Target going to be 118. Shorts below 109.18. Target's going to be 105.50 and then 102.71. Next one here is EBAY, eBay Incorporated, and this one we're looking for longs above 60.53. Above 60.53, we're looking for 63.50. Below 58.52, we're looking down to 57.16, then 55.93. And eBay's got about a $3.44 expected move this week, so our targets fall within the ranges. For longs, we want to enter above 60.53. Targets going to be 63.50. And shorts, we want to enter below 58.52. And our targets are going to be 57.16 and then 55.93. And last for the week, we've got OSTK Overstock. This was our big winner from last week's watch list. We were looking at above 33, and we had a price target of 38. It well exceeded that by 10 points. This is looking good for the pullback. We can see that it's hitting up on our 2618 extension, and it started to sell off of that. So we wanted to hold 48. If we can get it to hold 48, then we could be looking to get that full expected move of $8. 48 brings us up to around 56 for a price target. We're going to shoot a little lower, down to 54. However, below 48, and we're looking down to 42.40 this week. For longs, we want 48 to hold. Targets going to be 56. Actually, we're going to go 54. 54. For shorts, we want to enter below 48, and remember, you want all the corresponding signs to be with you. You want to see declining buying volume. You want to see a bearish market. You want to see rising volatility. And obviously, we want to see corresponding options contracts being bought and sold on the right strike prices. So below 48, we're looking down to 42.40 this week. And if we take a look at our options contracts, we see about 1,227 being traded at the 50s. That's showing us some pretty good resistance there, again above that 50s area, and we're starting to look up to that 54 real quick. Not a lot of happening down here below on the put side, so not much going on. We do have an extremely high implied volatility, so definitely want to be careful out there. That's going to do it for Optional Enterprises watch list this week. I want to thank you for watching. If you found anything that helped you trade, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. This is Optional Enterprises, and I will talk to you guys next time.